We also completed the first of the 3 square platform steps that take us up to the parking space. There are good reasons why we've chosen to use an offset brick pattern for these pavers. This cascading platform staircase has a couple of difficult transition points. Because of the angle of the pre-existing decking that the staircase has to land on and the parking space it's coming from, it meant that it had to have a corner turning point in the middle of it. This is why I designed this triangular platform step. So this way the 2 staircases could merge in the center of this triangle and help create some kind of flow and harmony in the design. I chose to use 3 different size pavers to achieve this. The large and small rectangle pavers help construct the rises and treads of the staircase, while I used square pavers to fill out the platform part of the pathway.
You come and go like a monsoon rain. You have